Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to sort, filter and save the results.
We're submitting the query, let's say with a list of smiles. Pressing the search button and receiving our results. As you can see, the hits are coming from different categories. I want to focus on what could be delivered as soon as possible. So I choose from the in-stock building blocks and screening compounds, just by clicking on them. Now I can hide the categories since I don't need them at this time. Then I would like to sort by the price, and molecular weight. Then I would like to filter by the price. Very good. And now I can also filter by the suppliers and by physical chemical properties. Now I can click here, select all compounds. As you can see, now they are all selected. What I can also do is to deselect some of them. For example, this one, and this one. And those deselected molecules would not be included to the exported file. Let it be an Excel. I click on it, and the hits are downloaded to my computer for the post-processing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our social networks.